Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka seng Kongres kalarai ban penlong la ka jinya ki ha baro kawai kari India. Bat kentob ru ha kani ka jelami Galaya. Haka arpu artarik ubnai naitung arazar arpu wai. Kum ka jing persya bat ka jing penrem halor ka jing keno. Baka Sorkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam deka seng Bharatiya Janata Party. Kala pendon kam deka Spyware Pegasus ban yo Plie to ye ki mobile phone jong ki nongyalam kaliang persya. Ki nong thok kubor ki muktiar bat ki wai ban yo jing tip halor ki kam baki le. Unong aiktin jong ka seng Congress u Zenit Sangma habaya kren bat ki lat pathai kubor u laong. Baka Congress kala shim ya karai Dawa ya ying bishar Supreme Court jong kari bakan thung de ka jing Tohkit halor kane khnang ban lap ya jing Shah.
Passwords, contact lists, text messages, and live voice calls of India's security apparatus, different individuals like union ministers and opposition leaders, including parliamentary chiefs and the Supreme Court judges, is really very shocking to the entire nation. The spyware Pegasus is able to turn on the phone's camera and microphone to capture all activities in the vicinity of the phone. Thus, snooping through alleged Israeli technology Pegasus on the citizens is treasonous and unconstitutional, violating the fundamental rights to privacy. Therefore, the Indian National Congress Party condemns the unconstitutional act of the incumbent government at the center. We are protesting across the nation and demand a judicial probe monitored by the Honorable Supreme Court to unearth the truth and punish the guilty. This technology, the website of the NSO group and its products are exclusive sold to the government only. So those who are in the hand of affairs in the party which is in power at the center obviously will be responsible to this. See, here so many things might have been happened. So number one, encroaching into the privacy of any individual is a violation of fundamental rights to privacy. And when even the high-level officials from the defense forces, political bosses, even the oppositions are being targeted through this technology. So it's also threatening to the security of the nation as well. Well, the Congress Party as a whole, along with other opposition parties across the country, we are protesting against this act, and some more protests will be demonstrated on the 22nd, that is falling tomorrow. The Congress Party has decided to protest against this act in every part of the country. The present demand, whatever we are putting forward, is not attended to, then the Congress leadership will decide as to what kind of demand or protest will be resorted to in near future. The Congress Party is the oldest and one of the largest political parties in the country, and it is a responsible party. So when anything is found to be done wrong by the present incumbent, then it's the responsibility of the Congress party, being the main opposition party, to reflect on several issues before the government and the nation as a whole. Now it's up to the government whether they are really serious in to do anything in the interest of the people of the nation or not. That is up to them. So side by side, subsequently what kind of actions or protests will be organized, that will be decided subsequently. Across the country, the protests will be organized tomorrow. And in Meghalaya, as far as the state of Meghalaya is concerned, we have not yet decided. So that will be intimated to you subsequently.